One man. An angle grinder, no CAD, no computer, no team. That's how every single one of these gets built. This is a Rauh-Welt Begriff build, RWB. And RWB isn't a company in the normal sense. It's one guy, Akira Nakai, working out of a small shop in Chiba, Japan. Nakai-san hand cuts every single fender, flare himself, angle grinder, masking tape, decades of experience. No two RWB cars in the world are exactly alike because he's not following a blueprint. He's building each one on site, by feel. Here's the part that gets me. Nakai actually started as a drifter, not a Porsche guy. He was part of the underground Tokyo racing scene in the 80s and 90s, running old Toyota AE 86s in a crew literally called Rough World. It wasn't until he got his hands on a damaged Porsche 930 that RWB was born. Now his builds sell into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and there's a years-long wait list just to get him to touch your car. INNO64 Porsche RWB 964. Black matte. Let's get into it. That's why you see this on real RWB cars. His signature banner across the windshield. It's basically him signing the work. This colorway's matte black, murdered out. Look at how clean the panel lines are on this wide body kit for the scale. That stance is the whole point. RWB builds are famous for sitting low and wide. That's Nakai's signature, not a factory look. This is a tribute to a guy who builds one car at a time, by hand, with no two the same. I'm calling this one a rated out of 10. Which RWB livery should I go for next? More unboxings dropping this week.